Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark with another quick LearnDash tip. And in today's video, we're looking at people who are first getting started with LearnDash. So they've got WordPress and LearnDash, but perhaps don't know where to get started to build their first course. And we're going to show you a great feature called Starter Templates that can help you to shortcut that. So Starter Templates are sort of a pre-made LearnDash platform that'll have a few basic courses in there and just some great aesthetics. It'll have a theme and things like that. And it's just a quick way to get started. And once you see that template, you'll be able to modify it and just see how things knit together. Because when you're new to this, you might just not really know where to get started with this sort of stuff. So when you first install WordPress, you probably end up with something like this, a very basic blog style website. And you may have already installed LearnDash. I've done that here. So I've got LearnDash installed, but I don't have any courses, lessons, quizzes, or anything like that set up yet. It's just a blank LearnDash platform. So what we've got here is just a basic blank canvas to do what we like with. What I'm going to do is head to plugins and then go to add new. And what I'm going to do is search for starter templates. And then we want to install here is this one here called Starter Templates, Elementor WordPress and Beaver Builder Templates by Brainstorm Force. And at the time of recording, this has 1 million plus active installations, 5 stars, and it was updated a week ago. So you can see that it's a plugin that gets kept up to date and is quite reputable. So I'm just going to install that and then activate it. And what I'm going to do is, now that it's been installed, hover over Appearance here in the left-hand menu, and we've got this new option, which wasn't there before, called Starter Templates. So this will help you install basically a starter template of any kind, but it works well with LearnDash. So if you search for LearnDash here, you will see a number of LearnDash style templates here that you can use to just literally apply these and get started with. So if you've seen any of our other videos, we tend to use this one here as our base platform just to help demonstrate things. So I'm going to choose that again. I'm going to click on that one there, and what that will do is start to bring in some of these items and let us customize bits here. So I can upload an image to replace the logo if I want to at this point, but I think I'm just going to leave that as is for now. I'm just going to go skip and continue. We can change some of the default colors here, which is cool. So if you've got a brand that you want to match, then go ahead and change those colors to whichever matches your brand. And you can also change some of the fonts as well. So, there's some nice fonts to choose from. I'm just going to click continue. It asks for this one last step here where you can choose whether you delete previously imported stuff and what you can install and widgets and things. I'm just going to leave them all ticked. You can sign up for a mailing list, but I don't think you have to, so I'm just going to click submit and build my website. And what that does is it downloads and installs all of the required themes, plugins and things like that, and brings in a lot of the sort of starter content ready for you to get going with. So it'll be taking a little while here to just download some of those images and create posts, bring in the content, link it all up. But you can see here we're already on step 2 where it's importing pages, menus, posts. It's a really cool feature, so the fact that it creates the post and sets up all your menus and things, it's importing lots of bits of media here. So we can see that it's bringing in some images as part of this, bringing in the site options, widgets, and here we go, finishing things off. It says, congratulations, so we built the site and it took 47 seconds. So I'm going to view the website. And what we see is that we have a LearnDash platform with some really nice looking content. We've got a front page here, and we've got, some courses. So if I head to all courses here, we've got a couple of courses that I can go into and see the content for. So I can click into these and just see how this would appear to any learners who signed up for it. And the course content even has some embedded video, images. I can mark things as complete. And if I head to the WordPress dashboard and go to LearnDash LMS here, you'll see that we have in here some courses, some lessons and topics. And rather than just starting things from a blank canvas, what we have here is a pre-configured and set up platform that will help us to just get our heads around how things work, and we can change things and just sort of take you a step further than you would have been if you were just coming to this cold and started creating things from scratch. So I hope you find this useful. We have lots of videos to help you with LearnDash, so if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel. And if you did like this video, please give it a like.